been through many of these crashes over the decades, and I can tell you that they always rebound, and the steeper the drop, the quicker it rebounds. I'd like to give you a roadmap to understand how things may well unfold over the next month. So as you're aware, the markets are currently undergoing a crash or a mini crash in response to the Trump tariffs that have been imposed a few days ago. The market has been in free fall for a few days, and in fact the S&P is down about 20% from high to low over the past 6 weeks. But in the past week or so, the S&P has dropped about 11% in a few days. Here's the chart of the S&P. Here's the waterfall drop that we've had over the past week. Really a steep vertical decline. First thing to note is that support, long-term support, comes in at these highs from 2022, and that's at the 4,800 level where it's bounced off. I'd like to give you a roadmap to understand how things may well unfold over the next month. In this chart, I've overlaid the current market. This is the S&P 500 index, and this is the S&P in 1998. You'll notice how the peaks here have lined up very closely. Then we had a drop, sideways movement, and then another drop. That's exactly what happened in 1998. Quite remarkable how closely the two are following each other. So with the S&P having reversed off its lows, we're likely, if this pattern keeps unfolding, it doesn't have to, but there's a good chance it will, because it's really followed it accurately for months. Then we're likely to get a relief rally and then another drop, probably in early May, late April, early May, which will mark the final bottom, a retest of the current low. That'll mark the final bottom, and then a really good rally to follow that. How does one deal with this kind of situation? The first rule is don't panic, because markets like this are driven almost entirely by emotion. When fear becomes an extreme, it's called panic. So don't panic, let the masses panic. One should be focusing on the market bottoming soon and looking for some really great buying opportunities that are going to come around. I've been through many of these crashes over the decades, the first one being the 1987 crash, and I can tell you that they always rebound, and the steeper the drop, the quicker it rebounds. Your mindset should be one of looking to buy, to get some really good bargains at lower levels. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to receive a free ebook from me and info on trading courses that I give, feel free to click on the links below. Please click subscribe to be notified whenever a new video comes out. Bye for now.